Let's take a quick look at timetables and calendars. Timetables are fairly straightforward. Here we've got a timetable of a bus service from Wigginton to Chapel Fields. So we can see here is Wigginton and here is Chapel Fields. And you could be asked, what time do you have to get on a bus at Rowan Avenue to be at York Railway Station for 7:30? So if you're getting on at Rowan Avenue, we need to be looking at this row here. And if we're getting off at York Railway Station, we need to be looking at this row here. Now there are 5 buses at different times, and we want a bus that gets us into York Railway Station before 7:30. So this first bus gets us in at 6:23 at York Railway Station, which is probably a bit too early, isn't it? 6:53, also very early. 7:23, that's a bit more like it. The next bus gets us in at 7:53, which is too late. So it's definitely going to be this bus that we're going to be taking. So this is the bus that leaves Wigginton Mill Lane at 6:55. Now if we're getting on at Rowan Avenue, we are therefore going to be getting on at 7:05. So all you need to do is just read across the particular row, and again sometimes it's easier just to hide the information you're not interested in. Sometimes it can be a bit bamboozling having all these numbers thrown at you. Literally you're only interested in Rowan Avenue and York Railway Station for that example that I just gave you, and we're just literally looking at these 2 times here. Other timetables could look like this. This could be like a schedule for a heavy metal concert, and you might be asked which band is playing on Saturday between 8 and 9:30. So here, this column here corresponds to Saturday, and this row here corresponds to the time slot of 8 to 9:30. So if you follow these across, then we are going to see that the band Alter Bridge are playing on Saturday at 8 to 9:30. Corn, for example, they are playing on a Sunday, and they are playing the late slot 10 till 11:30. Moving on to calendars, you might have a monthly view for a calendar. You might be looking, these prices could correspond to the prices of flights. So we can see here, here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 31. These correspond to the dates in October. October is one of the months that has 31 days. And these ones have been blocked out because the 1st of October falls on a Friday. So this Thursday is going to be the last day in September. And all we need to do is, the question might be, on what date is the cheapest available flight? So on Friday the 1st, it's £113. It goes up on the Saturday, goes up a tiny bit more on the Sunday. So we're just looking for the smallest price, or the lowest price. So here we've got an £89. Is there anything cheaper than £89? Yes, there is. There's an £88 here, and that is on the 27th. So the cheapest flight available is on the 27th of October in 2021.